Boldt HVAC is a top choice for reliable HVAC services in Dakota County, Minnesota, offering expert heating, cooling, and furnace solutions designed for Minnesota's severe weather. With a strong reputation for customer service and a broad range of offerings including plumbing and home renovation, their skilled technicians provide high-quality workmanship and 24/7 support. Are you looking for a HVAC company in Dakota County, Minnesota? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. What HVAC services does Boldt HVAC offer in Dakota County, Minnesota? Boldt HVAC delivers a full spectrum of HVAC services in Dakota County, Minnesota, from air conditioning and furnace repair to heater maintenance and plumbing. They also handle water heater installations and home renovations, covering all your heating, cooling, and plumbing requirements. What are the typical pricing and financing options for HVAC installations and repairs? The cost of HVAC installations and repairs with Boldt HVAC depends on the specific services and equipment needed. They offer competitive pricing and financing options to assist with managing costs, and it's best to request a quote or speak with their customer service for detailed information. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at the following locations in Minnesota: Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Boldt HVAC located in Dakota County, Minnesota? We are located at 20721 Holyoke Avenue, 1st floor. Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, United States. Our phone number is 833-758-6461. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com/Lakeville-MN.